and I am back with the second part of the same chapter, the animal world. So let's start. As I told you that in the second part of this video, I'll try to mention about all the invertebrates because they were new to many of you. So first, let's start with arthropods. Number one, they are found everywhere on land, in trees, in water, and even underground. And they're eaten by birds, fishes, even some mammals, and other arthropods, and some plants too. So, to understand it better, scientists have divided these into five groups: insects, arachnids, crustaceans, centipedes, and millipedes. So, insects, we all know beetles, for example. Then, arachnids includes spider and scorpion. Crustaceans includes crabs. Then, centipedes, picture you can see on my screen, and millipedes also. It looks like a worm. It's look like a worm. Then we have mollusks. Most of them live on water, means some do live on land, but most of them live in water. And examples are oysters, snails, octopuses, and clams. Then we have sponges. This is type of funny. Sponges are the simplest form of an animal and they do not have any nervous system or any muscles. They cannot even move on their own and most live on the seafloor. Because they cannot move, they can't hunt for food. But they live on the water that flows through tiny holes in their body. They have tiny holes in their body through which the water flows. So the water contains the oxygen and nourishment they need to survive. Then we have echinoderms. They live in water. All of them live in water. Alright? And examples are starfishes and urchins. Urchins are type of like it looks like a ball. Then cnidarians. Cnidarians also live in water. They have a bag-like body which has tentacles coming off it. And cnidarians include jellyfish and coral. Let me tell you an amazing thing about jellyfishes. The most deadly jellyfish is the box jellyfish. Do search a picture of it to be protected from it. So if ever you will go to any beach or sea view, you should look for it. That it shouldn't come to you because it's really very deadly. It's like each of its tentacles means one tentacle has about half a million of poisonous, and it also have needle-like spines. So be safe from these jellyfishes. There are also worms which are invertebrates. They are easy, so I didn't include them. They are divided into three groups: roundworm, flatworm, and segmented worms. So, this was all about today's video. We'll meet you in the third part of this chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz.